Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing fine. This is your first time here. My name is Sophia. You're welcome. On this channel I share daily hair and beauty tips, but today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this amazing hair butter that is giving my hair good loving. So please guys, kindly subscribe if you're new and hit the notification bell. So for today's butter, my first ingredient that I'm going to be using is shea butter. Shea butter is amazingly great for natural hair. It has some amazing nutrients and it is easy to come by. So I'm going to use the double heat process to make this butter, and I'm going to be adding coconut oil as my second ingredient. I'll go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to my melting shea butter. And then for my second ingredient, I'm going to be adding black castor oil. Black castor oil is another great hair oil, and I'll be adding 1 tablespoon also of this to the mixture. Then thirdly, I'm going to be adding olive oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil to it, and then I mix it very well. And I'll wait for a few minutes for it to melt properly before I add my next ingredients. And my last ingredient is moringa powder. Moringa has some amazing benefits, it has some amazing vitamins that is really good, and it works wonders in natural hair. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of moringa powder to my mix, and then I'll mix it properly to avoid any lumps. So I got my moringa powder from Amazon. I'll be leaving the link below in case you're interested. You can get yours online, or you can decide to make it with fresh moringa leaf. And then after mixing it very well, I'm going to leave it on the stove for it to heat for at least 10 minutes before I take it down. And once it is ready, I take it down and I wait for it to cool off for some minutes before I come back and start whipping it. So lastly, now that the mixture has cooled off, I'm going to go ahead and whip it using my mixer. I'm going to whip it to the consistency that I want. So if you want to make yours, you can stop at any time depending on the consistency, on how thick or light you want your butter to be. You can use this butter at any time of the week. Apply it to your hair. It will keep your hair shiny and moisturized. These natural ingredients has really been helping my hair. If you're my old subscribers, when you watch my old video, you will see that my hair, compared to how it was before and how it is now, there's big changes. That's because I've been using natural ingredients on my hair, and I've decided to share it with you guys. So this butter is one of them, and it is really good for hair. If you have gone through hair loss, or you're going through hair loss or hair problems, you can switch to natural ingredients, and stay tuned for daily upload from me on this channel. So guys, the last thing I'm going to be doing now is to transfer it to my jar, and from there I'll be applying it to my hair. I'm sorry I didn't share the video of me applying this to my hair with you guys. That's because it is not my wash day, but I just decided to make this butter so I have it ready when I take down my protective style. So guys, this is how the butter looks once you're done. You can use it anytime, any day. Thank you for watching my video. My old subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to support me. See you on my next video. God bless you.